Who's that?
Huh?
What were you singing?
My little monkey.
Jumping on the bed?
Yeah.
Oh, sing it to me. How do you sing it?
They sing it. My little monkey. Jump on the bed. I'll just bump his head.
Oh my goodness. And what happened next?
Mom tells doctor and the doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh, then what happened?
He fell down the bed and bumped his head. Mom called the doctor and the doctor said no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh my goodness. And then what happened?
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mom called the doctor. Hey, bumped his head. Mom called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Are you a monkey?
No?
Do you jump on the bed?
Yeah?
You do? And what if you fell off?
It's on my head.
Yeah, what would I do? What would I do if you bumped your head?
You call the doctor?
I would.
Yeah.
And what would the doctor say?
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Oh, he would. Yep, that's right. No more Luke jumping on the bed.
Huh?